Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is dedicated for those customers whose phone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. Actually, I didn't post any video since 20 or 24 days because there was some updates which are coming regularly, so I was waiting for it. And this video is very updated video for those customer whose phone is locked. I mean to say all the Android phones like Samsung, Oppo, Vivo and Techno, every kind of Android smart phones can be unlocked with the help of this method. Okay, so before starting this method, one thing I would like to tell you, my friend, if your phone is not charged at least 30%, so firstly you will have to charge your phone at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before you start this method, charge your phone at least 30%. After that you will have to eject your smartphone SIM card, okay, or you may also use your phone's airplane mode option. Okay, so you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock, and if you want to unlock your smartphone at the sitting and home, I mean to say if you don't want to visit service center and you don't want to expense your money, so be with us at the end of this video. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, but your smartphone should be Android, okay, because this method is applicable only on Android smartphones. So let's start this method. Firstly you will have to, you can see here this smartphone is locked. Firstly you will have to switch off your smartphone. Simply you will have to press the power button to switch off your smartphone. Okay, let it's be complete switch off. Okay, now after this, when it's complete switch off, you will have to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Okay, like this. You will have to press the both button until you get the logo. Now you can see here logo is showing here, and after that simply you will have to release the volume down button and press the volume up button at the same time, but you will have to continue press the power button. Okay, now after this such type of page will appear on your phone display. Now you will get an option of reboot and recovery mode. So you don't have to go with the reboot, okay, because it's a type of restart option. Okay, so simply you will have to go with the recovery mode option. Okay, simply you will have to click on this. Your phone touch won't work here. Simply you will have to use this volume up button and down button to go with these options. So simply I will go with the down button, and for select this option simply you will have to press the power button. Now it will switch to the next page. Okay, so just wait it. It's a time taking method, but it's very genuine. If you use this method, your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Now you will get three type of option here. The first option is showing here, install software. The second option is clear data, and the third option is check system. Okay, so simply you will have to go with the option of a clear data. Okay, simply you will have to go with this clear data option, and you will have to clear all caches. You don't have to press here clear all data. If you press this option clear all data, your phone's all the data like photos, videos and every kind of documents will be deleted. So simply you will have to clear your cache here, clear cache option, and you will have to go with the OK button. Okay, now it's when it's complete it will show you return option. Simply go with this return option and go with the back button. Okay, now again go with the shut down option. You don't have to restart your smartphone. Simply you will have to shut down your smartphone. Okay, now it's getting shut down. Now after this you will have to switch on your smartphone by the help of power button. Okay, so just wait here. Now you can see here still now here pattern lock is showing here, but you have cleared your cache of your smartphone. It means it is completely removed, but you will have to follow some step. I means you will have to dial some USSD code with the help of emergency call option. Okay, after that your phone will be unlocked. Simply you will have to go with the option of emergency. Okay, simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, it will show you here such type of dialing pad. Now there are two type of USSD code. You will have to feed this USSD code here, and you will have to call on this USSD code. After that your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. And the first USSD code is star hash. Okay, firstly you will have to call here. It will show you call not sent, don't worry. Simply again you will have to use the another code. That code is star hash 812 and hash. Again you will have to call on this. Okay, now after this go with the OK button. Okay, now after this the last code what I am going to give you, you will have to feed that code. After that your phone will be unlocked. My friend, the last code is star hash . When you will call on this USSD code, your smartphone will be unlocked. I will show you here. Simply you will have to call here. Okay, it will again show here emergency call only. Now after this, simply you will have to go with the home button. Now you can see here this smartphone is completely unlocked, and the main thing is that your smartphone's all the data like applications, videos, photos, all the data will be same as it is as in your smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing. With the help of this method, our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much. See you in next videos.